Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaSchool.com, and this week I'm going to do a little bit of self-promotion. Now, I really don't like doing this too much. I do it a little bit. It's kind of an important part of my online business, but I'm really excited about something that I've been working on for the last year over in my Online Harmonica School. So this is my paid for harmonica educational content. So what I've been working on for the last year is a comprehensive Complete Beginners curriculum. So this is a 13-month long curriculum right from the start. So you've never even picked up a harmonica and all the way up to my advanced beginner level. So you'll be learning a bunch of exciting stuff. But basically it's broken down into 13 monthly practice guides, and I thought I'd show you some of the stuff that I'll be teaching during those 13 months. So obviously at the beginning I'm going to show you everything you need to get started, what kind of harmonica you need, how to hold it, how to breathe properly, how to play single notes. But then after that we're going to work on some more bluesy stuff. Okay, so we're going to look at some chugging with simple blues licks. I'll show you what a 12-bar blues structure is and how to follow it. 2, 3, 4, 1 chord. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Up to the 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Back to the 1 chord. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. Up to the 5 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 chord. 2, 3, 4. It's not going to be completely dry. I'm also going to show you how to play a whole bunch of fun 12-bar blues tunes. This is just one example of some of the tunes that I'm going to teach you. I'm also going to show you how to do some awesome chugging shuffle rhythms to get that really strong bluesy feel. 2, 3, 4. As you progress through the beginner's curriculum, I'm going to introduce some more complex rhythmic ideas, such as triplets, which are going to sound a little bit like this. Among a whole bunch of awesome blues techniques that I'm going to teach you, one of them is going to be the warble, which sounds like this. Then I'm going to show you how to do one of the most important things in blues harmonica, which is the 4-draw bend. And that's going to be a little bit like this. Let's try that on the 4-hole. So make sure you're playing nice and gently when you're doing this. This isn't a feat of strength. It's all about control and making sure that you've got the pressure dialed in. Something else I'm going to show you how to do is a very cool technique called comping, which will make your solo harmonica playing sound so much fuller, like this. Okay, so there's a lot more to it than just that, but that gives you a brief overview of the kind of things that you'll be working on in those 13 months. At the end of the 13 months, there is a test piece to see if you're ready to move on to the next level. And also there's a lot of other features that you get as part of the Online Harmonica School. The one I'm most excited about and most proud of is the regular personalized feedback from me. So as a student of my Online Harmonica School, you'll be a member of a students-only forum where you can chat with other students, but also where you can post recordings as much as you like for me to give you personalized feedback, so you know whether you're on the right track, you know how to improve things that you're working on, and you know what's going on. You get actual hands-on feedback from a harmonica teacher. And I also do weekly live Q&A sessions in that forum. So there's a lot more stuff, far too much for me to go into detail here. So I'd love for you to go and check out my Online Harmonica School by clicking on the link in the description below. And I promise you it doesn't just end at the end of beginner, it goes on much further than that, and there'll be enough for you to work on no matter where you're starting from. I will give you everything you need to get better on the instrument. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you check out my Online Harmonica School soon. Take it easy. Happy harping.